recipe is in my cookbook, 99 Ninja Foodi recipes, and you can get a copy on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk.
I've got 2 duck legs here and I want to season those before they go in the air fryer. So I'm adding some salt onto the skin. As you can probably see in the video, I have actually pricked the skin all over, and that's just really to penetrate the flavour down into the duck. And I've got black pepper here as well. I'm going to add a teaspoon of ground ginger and also 2 teaspoons of Chinese 5-spice. And that is going to make these taste amazing. So just get that all rubbed in to the duck like this. I'm not adding any oil because, as you know, duck is a very fatty meat and it really doesn't need it. So these are seasoned really nicely and they are ready to go into the air fryer. I'm going to add the duck straight into the basket like so. Just giving my hands a quick wash, and we want to now get this onto air fry. So air fry function, there it is. And I'd like to put that on 180. And let's go with 25 minutes. As always, I'll keep an eye on them and we'll use a thermometer at the end to check that they're cooked as well. So let's go. Whilst my duck is cooking, I thought I would show you what I'm doing with it. Obviously, this isn't in the Ninja, it's on the side, so completely optional. You could shred the duck when it comes out and have it in with pancakes, hoisin sauce, spring onion, cucumber. That would be delicious. But I fancied some noodles tonight, so that is what I'm doing. So I'm just popping my noodles in my water here to get those cooked. I've got a little tiny bit of oil here in the bottom, just spreading that about. And into there, I'm going to add some ginger. That ginger is smelling really good. So I'm adding in some carrot and peppers that I have just chopped into very fine pieces. And we just want to soften those in the pan here with the ginger. Just keep moving this about in the pan. I've got it on sort of a medium to high heat. These don't take very long to soften down. And in the meantime, I'm going to just strain my noodles. Now into here, I'm going to add my spring greens, which always looks like a lot, but these are going to really wilt down. So let's add a little bit in to start with. I haven't got measurements for the vegetables. I just do the amount I think I'm going to roughly need, that's all. My greens have wilted down nicely, which is how I wanted them. Carrots and peppers have softened. I'm going to add some garlic granules in. Obviously, you could use fresh garlic in this if you want to. And then I've got my cooked noodles, and I've just added a little bit, you can see them there, I've added a little bit of sesame oil, just to stop them, they are sticking a bit, but just to stop them sticking really, really bad. Let's get those in the pan. And then the best bit is the sauce. So here is my sauce all mixed up. In here, I've got 3 tablespoons of corn flour. I've got 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. I've got a tablespoon of mirin. I've got a teaspoon of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and then a pinch of chili flakes. It smells absolutely wonderful. I'm going to get that all over those noodles, scrape everything out, and get that all mixed together. Duck has finished. Let's grab the thermometer. That is sizzling away in that basket. It's getting into those deep parts just to make sure. Yeah, we're just on that bit there, 74 just. So it seems like 25 minutes was a good shout because we are just cooked, which is what we want. We don't want them to be like overcooked. Perfect. I think these are great. I'm happy with those. The thermometer that I use is from Amazon. It's linked below, by the way, if you do want to grab one. The link's in the description for you. So turning off the Ninja, I'm just going to let these rest for 10 minutes. There you go. That is what we've got. It smells so nice. So here is our duck legs up close. They look absolutely gorgeous and they smell even better than they look. And to my noodles, I'm going to add some sesame seeds. Absolutely love those on my noodles. That looks pretty good.